Listen, if you are doing these three things, you need to stop right now, or you are never going to build wealth, you are never going to be rich, and you are never going to live the life that you've truly wanted to live. So by the end of the video, you're going to know the three things to avoid. And these are the same things that I've personally experienced in my life. I've seen with family and friends. I've learned through going to school for business and finance, and also being friends with millionaires and multimillionaires and listening and watching to what they have to say, including Warren Buffett. He's actually a really good friend of mine. Just kidding. I wish. Anyways, my name is Kellen from The Savvy Couple. Smash that like button. Let's get into this. All right, guys. So the number one reason you will never be rich is because you are trying to keep up with the Joneses. You care about other people's opinions way too much. And what Dave Ramsey likes to say is you are buying things that you don't have money for to impress the people that you don't even like. And that rings a bell to me. That's something that really took me a long time to get over myself, to realize that other people's opinions of me do not matter. I am in this for myself, for my happiness, for my family's happiness, and other people's opinions really don't matter. So buying that massive house in the neighborhood with the best lawn and the best car in the driveway, that's a big no-no. You want to stay away from keeping up with the Joneses. It's literally a rat race. Continuing to go into debt, continuing to invest your money in liabilities, which isn't even investing your money, putting your money into liabilities instead of assets that are growing you money and that are giving you wealth over time. So stay away from keeping up with the Joneses, stay away from other people's opinions, kind of forming how you live your life and how you purchase items. You don't need the newest watch. You don't need the newest phone all the time. Stay away from brand new cars. They are the worst investment you can ever make. They're just a depreciating asset. They're always losing money from the time you drive it off the lot to drive it home. They are just a money pit. I promise you that life is not a competition. The neighbor that has the new car, the neighbor that has the best yard and the biggest house, they're most likely living a lie. They are living off credit cards. They are in an enormous amount of debt. They're just putting on a facade. Be true to yourself. If you want to build wealth and really change your life, stop keeping up with the Joneses. All right, so the second reason that you will never be rich is because you are trading your time for money. You are actively working for every dollar that you earn. You are trading hours at work for money, for dollars per hour, instead of creating passive streams of income. So how do you actually earn passive income, you might be asking? Well, there is a ton of ways to earn passive income. I'm gonna link a resource below. So Brittany and I earn passive income a couple of ways, but the two primary ways are investing our money. So we invest our money into the market to make it work for us. We earn capital gains and dividends over time and just let it ride out, long-term investing. The second way we do is we started our online business, thesavvycouple.com, which earns us passive income through ads and affiliate marketing by driving traffic to articles and helping people solve their problems. We have a video on that. I'll link it up here on how blogs make money in our 7 income streams, but you really need to learn how to turn your active income into passive income and stop trading time for money. One thing that really helped Brittany and I stop trading our time for money is switching our mindset about money altogether. So when we go to purchase something, we never look at it as money. We look at it how much time we'll have to work in order to receive that thing that we're looking at and purchasing. So when you do that mindset change and you look at a pair of sneakers that are $100 and you're only making $10 an hour, you're gonna have to work 10 hours to earn that pair of sneakers. It's not $100, it's 10 hours of your time, 10 hours of your precious time. Time is the one asset in life that is always fleeting us and is the most precious thing that we have. So make sure that you are protecting it and start earning the passive income streams that I'm talking about and put your money to work for you instead of the other way around. All right, so number 3 is being lazy and not putting in the hard work. Now I can promise you this, after building our business over the last 3 years, there is no magic pill to success. The only magic pill to success in anything you are trying to do in life is hard work. So stop wasting your time on your phone. Stop binge watching the newest Netflix series. Start being different. If you want your life to improve, if you want to be different in life with your money and your finances and your time, start putting in the effort to do that. Start reading books, start listening to podcasts, start watching YouTube videos and training and education and webinars and workshops. All the information is out there. You just need to put in the effort to get there. So continue to educate yourself, try new things, take risks, invest your money, be different than everyone else. Stop living up to the Joneses. Stop trying to compete with them. Take the hard route. If you're lazy, you're not going to get far in life. So I'm begging you to stop being lazy, start pushing yourself, know what you want in life and go after it with everything you got. Brittany and I would not be where we are today, both working from home full time with our daughter. on our business and making really good money from it. So please stop being lazy. Now those are the 3 things, guys. Stop keeping up with the Joneses, stop trading your time for money, and stop being lazy. If you can avoid those 3 things, I can promise you that your life is going to improve greatly. You are going to be able to build wealth. You're going to be able to be rich with your time and your money, and you are going to have the life of freedom that you've always envisioned and dreamed of. So if you found this video helpful, if you enjoyed it, please smash that like button, subscribe, like, comment, turn on notifications. We will be coming at you with some more videos. Stay savvy. See ya.